Kumusta man mo diha? Hinaot okay ra mo dinha karon kung asa mo karon. Na ako'y importante na i-anunsyo ninyo karon. This about Danao City. Danao City has been busy and focused these past years prioritizing and acting on local concerns while involving program for the city's renewed direction and progress future through our roadmap. Being a seal of good local government's awardee, ang nagkiniusa na Platinum Award sa Association of Government Accountants of the Philippines tungod sa pag-consistent na Best Accounting sa Danao for 8 consecutive years. Champion Component City Level in Local Health System. Ideal Functionality Award for Danao's Local Council for the Protection of Children. High Functional City Anti-Drug Abuse Council. Kagawad Kalasang Seal of Excellence Beyond Compliance. Subaybayani Award for Danao's Outstanding Performance in Excellence, Infrastructure, Governance, and Meaningful Change that Accelerates Growth. And the list of recognitions continue. Karong tuiga sad, Danao has been recognized by the DTI as top 1 most improved component city in the Philippines. And in terms of competitiveness in all component cities, top 1 sabta overall Cebu. Being recognized as the most improved component city shows na ang roadmap, ang kaning mapa na atong gibuhat, gihaguan o gisubay kay sakto. Despite many challenges, kay nagkayusa man ta sa atong direksyon ug kay gibuligan man ta ug kusog ug grasya sa kaytas-an. We achieved so much in just 2 years. Ang tanan nato na sakripisyo ug padayon na pagpaningkamot, pagdasig ug pagkugi naghatag nato ug katamis kaayo na bunga. And just very recently, Danao City has been upgraded by the Department of Finance gikan sa pagka third class ngadto pasaka sa pagka second class component city sa income classification. I, together with Vice Mayor Nito Dorano, the city officials and the entire Danao City government team is beyond grateful to be the right path. Ang tibuok komunidad na dinhi sa Danao ug mga silingan na munisipalidad ang direksyon na makaayo aning tanan. Here and now, the roadmap has been established already and continues to bear fruit through good governance. It's time to say grace. As part of the Danawanon spirit, we always give thanks and celebrate with the community. That is why I am very happy to announce today that Danao City will be joining the grandest festival in Cebu this 2025, the Sinulog Festival. Again, Danao City will be joining the Sinulog Festival next year. Kana lang una ang atong mahatag na detalye. As the weeks progress, other updates will be provided by the city's committee chair on tourism, at the same time chair the Carranza Festival, Honorable Ivy Durano. Daghang salamat, Sidlak Danao ug Viva Pete Sr.